Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's demonstration is going to be on a AM-8 track out of a '69 Mustang. This comes from John in Annandale, Virginia. Customers requested repair to original stock and my replacement metal tuner buttons because it came in with some broken buttons. And so now we're going to turn her on, make sure everything works before we send her back. I had it set to AM. Well, it'll only set to AM, so here we go, AM.
We're talking about globalized.
There is a strong station, and then we get two weak stations towards closer to this end of the dial. There's one, and two, and go back to our strong station. Make sure we're getting output on both sides.
So the Biden corruption, while corruption
Okay, rotate our balance control, balance left,
because of how
balance to the right.
got 5 family members.
Okay, let's try a tape.
The fact that their business partners.
That's some Neil Sedaka.
These people.
Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, it's blank right now. Okay, that's the track that was blank before. Alrighty, pull the tape out, radio should come back. There's our radio back. Now, I need to make a little note here on this type of unit here. The tuner uses plastic gears in this model, and after 50 years out in the elements, the teeth on these plastic gears become very brittle, and if you should happen to overturn this thing past its range, it's very likely to break off teeth. In fact, some teeth have already broken off. So it's very, very important to never, ever turn this tuner past its range on either side. You want to stop at 16. It'll go further than 16, but I would recommend not going further than 16 and not going any further than the 5 on the other end, because there's not going to be anything there anyway. As long as you avoid doing that, your tuner will be okay, as long as these plastic teeth continue to hold out. So once again, there's our AM radio and our little warning about about going past the tuner's range. You don't want to do that on this type of radio. Very likely you're going to break the plastic gear teeth, and then we don't know what we'll do because they're only available on another unit, and I don't spend $400 on a unit just to scrap a few parts out of. So with that being stated, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or car use, you can reach me at 928-533-9666. Other services I offer on classic car radios is modern internal conversion to increase output power and FM sensitivity. We can add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, aux input, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to send your radio in for upgrade. So this once again was a repair to original stock, which is not always possible on this type of unit, but this one was a good candidate for that. So my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.